What's up and welcome back. Today we're going for a test drive of a 1966 Impala Convertible. This one here is believed to be 327 under the hood. It's also got power steering, nice smooth running motor. We're gonna be taking it down the road, pointing out any kind of flaws that I can find so you know exactly what you're buying before you get here. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I post daily content. Also have 100 detailed pictures. We update every Monday with new cars. That's all over at maplemotors.com. Right now we're gonna be taking this thing down the road, checking everything out. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. All right, jumping off in the interior, gonna check everything out. Go ahead and put my visors up. The seat's in pretty good shape. Interior looks good. Starts up easy. Place your bets. Do you think the horn works? We'll try the wipers. Radio does not work. Blower motor does. It's on right now. Gas gauge is up, quarter tank. 60,000 miles is what she says, but you know, 66 model. Horn works, and it works every time. Nice and sensitive. Let's take her down the road. Okay, I'm gonna hit the road. This is my first time driving this car. I'm gonna check everything out, make sure you know everything about it. That's exactly why I do these videos. All right, here we go. Speedometer is coming up. Seems to be pretty accurate so far. Car is pulling to the right. If I let go of the steering wheel, we're gonna go that way. Kick down passing gear, you ready? She's hooked up. Brakes? Brakes are stopping pretty good. Can't get on it real hard right now. Everybody's speed racing around town. Haven't had any significant bumps to hit. Check suspension yet. I will have some halfway through this test drive. I hear the turn signal on both sides, but I don't see them popping up on the dash, a little flash. Okay. Made it down this strip. We're gonna go on here, over here, and get some undercarriage shots. Also get some outside footage, and then we're gonna keep this test drive going. Look below in the description. You want to see what I use to make these videos? I'll provide all that information for you. All right, let's keep going. All right, here we go. Got you on the head cam. This car's been sitting here idling for a while. We're gonna cruise on out. Turn ratio is very good on this one. Maybe we can try them brakes. They feel pretty good. All right, traffic, give me some openings. I know I'm hitting you at the perfect time of day. Just waiting on everybody to go on by. I'm gonna go get another convertible at the lot. We're gonna test drive it as well. It's a perfect day to do that. Got a good sounding exhaust on it too. Still pulling to the right if I let go. Sweet. See that big old halt? I was hoping I got it on the camera. Yeah, the blinkers are not popping up on the turn signals on the dash. I can hear them clicking. They're just not visually working. I think the bulbs are out. Suspension on this one is great. I would have to give it an 8 out of 10 for suspension. We hit all those bumps and stuff down this road. It feels nice and smooth. I think you'll be comfortable driving this one. She's a boat. Looks like traffic worked out pretty good on that road back there. Nobody was in front of us the whole time. Pretty smooth. Tell you what, we haven't rode down to Brian's in a while. Let's ride down there, kind of check some stuff out. Here we go, open road. What I mean by ride down to Brian's, he's got a custom car shop down here. He does interior, stereo system, he sells wheels, tires, pretty much anything you can think of to customize your ride, he can do it. Suspension, lowering, lifts, vinyl wraps, tint, and you can have all that done. It's literally next door to Maple Motors. You can walk right down here and check these people out. Does all these new model trucks. Corvettes are down here all the time, just like this one. And he specializes Forgiato wheels. Has a whole showroom sitting here. Check him out, briansmotorsports.com. He's always doing something crazy down here. All right, just to show you how close he is, I could turn right here and I could see Maple Motors. It's literally right there. And in between, we got tons of little businesses here. Euro shops, tattoos. You can get a tattoo while you're here. Get a Maple Motors tattoo. I promise I'll give you a free shirt if you do that. You got the Main Street Pub. I like going there. And you also got pawn shop, but you got to catch them early in the day. We've made it back to the car lot. There's some customers riding around up here. Like a nice little Camaro sitting there. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go ahead and park her up front, Miss Parker. I don't know if this is lined up or not. There's my next test drive. It's gonna be a good one. Maybe Pops will run out. Hey Pops, hold up. Come line me up. All right, I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to check out maplemotors.com. Look at all the current inventory. We update every Monday. Everybody's busy. They're all in the back working on the new cars. And I came out front once they got done to do these videos for you. We also got a new TikTok. It's called Maple Motors Muscle Cars. The old TikTok's just Maple Motors. You can follow the new one. It's behind the scenes. It'll show you a lot of stuff that's coming on before anything else does. It's worth a look. Hey, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later.